Good morning everyone. So in this video we will discuss formulas, various operators and errors in formula. So there are two type of data in Excel. One is constant and second is formulas. Second point is the values which we enter in Excel in cells are called constant. It means the numbers which we write in cells are called constants. Third point is formula is a sequence of cell references, name of functions or operators. It means formula consists of different cell addresses, name of the operators or functions. So each formula in Excel starts or begin with an equal to sign. So next is cell referencing. First point is every cell in Excel worksheet has a unique address called cell reference. It means each cell or box in a Excel worksheet has a unique or different address and that address is called cell reference. Cells are identified by column letters and row numbers. As in Excel, rows are identified by numbers and columns are identified by letters. So each cell is identified by combination of column letters and row numbers. So next is the example of cell referencing, that is A5. Next topic is cell range. So a group of selected cells or related cells in a worksheet is called cell range. So by using a mouse we can select a group of cells and these group of cells are called cell range. Next topic is operators. An operator specifies the type of calculation we want to perform. It means operator states that which type of calculation we want to perform on selected data or on selected numbers. So there are four types of operators. First one is arithmetic operators, second is comparison operators, third is reference operators, and the last one is logical operators. So firstly we will discuss arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations, means like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication and percentage. So next type of operator is comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare different values and after comparing the values it will give the result either true or false. So different comparison operators are, first one is equal to, second is greater than, next is less than, the fourth one is greater than equal to, next is less than equal to, and the last one is not equal to. Next is the reference operators. So reference operator are used to combine different cell ranges and different reference operators are, first one is colon. Colons are basically used to produce cell range. For example, we want to specify the cell range from A1 to B5, then we can use the colon operator. Next is a space operator, which is also known as a intersection operator. It produces a intersection of two ranges. And the last type of operator is reference operator is comma operator. It is also known as a union operator because it combines multiple references into a single reference. Next is a logical operators. So logical operators are used to combine different relational expressions and they also return the result either true or false. So different logical operators are not, and or. Next topic is order of calculation. We can change the order of calculation by using parentheses. It means by using brackets or by using parentheses, we can change the order in which Excel perform the calculation. Because Excel will perform the calculation inside the parenthesis firstly, then it will perform the other calculations. For example, if we want to find out the average of three numbers, then if we will write according to the first example, then it will produce the wrong answer, because according to this example, firstly Excel will divide the number, because division operator has a higher priority as compared to the plus operator. So to find the correct answer, what we have to do, we have to write the three numbers inside the parenthesis, then we should use the division operator. Topic is errors in formula. So when Excel is unable to perform any calculation, then in that case it generates errors. First type of error is hash error. So when the column is narrow to display the result of calculation, in that case Excel generates hash error. Means when the column is too narrow to show or display the value of the answer, then in that case Excel generates hash error. Second point is hash division by 0. So when we try to divide any number by 0, then in that case Excel generate hash division by 0 error. Third point is hash name error. So when Excel is not able to recognize any cell reference or any cell address, then in that case it generate hash name error. Next type of error is hash reference. So when any formula refers to cell that is not valid, then in that case Excel generate hash reference error. Last point is hash value. So when formula refers to cell that Excel cannot use in calculation, in that case Excel generate hash value. It means formula is referring to the value, and that value cannot be used for particular type of calculation, then in that case hash value error is generated.